Okay. Okay. So,
Hi.
is this on?
It's on.
Okay, so we're really glad you're here with us today, and this is Josie Brower. And Josie, I'm going to be testing your whole energetic systems of your body right now. Is that okay with you?
Sounds good to me.
Do you have any soreness in your arms or anything like that? Have you had water today?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. So she's hydrated and she doesn't have any soreness, so then we can go and proceed with testing, and she's given us permission to do that. So we're going to do that. I'm going to test her deltoid muscle right here just by depressing. I can either stand in front of her to an angle, or I can stand behind her. Better to stand at an angle because she has her own energy field. And resist for me now. Okay, very good. Take the top of your hand and place it right on top of your head, please. And resist for me again, please. Thank you. And the back of your hand. What we're testing is polarity and resist again. We're testing her positive and negative. This shorts her body out. This is positive on positive. The top and the top are both positive energetically. So when, like with a battery, when you take a top and you depress or you place that right on top of her head, it shorts out her energetic field. So what we're showing you right now is just that. One more time. The top of the head with the bottom of the hand, and resist, and she becomes strong like a bull. Very good. And then in the back of the hand on top of the head, and resist again. Now if somebody has ADD, ADHD, or they're switched in their polarity, they can't concentrate, they can't think, that's a good thing to take note of, because we're going to show you something that can actually make a huge difference even with ADD, ADHD in terms of switching the body's energy field and helping the brain come online again. But you don't have that problem, and so thank goodness. And so we're going to go ahead and test the glands and organs of her body. I'm just going to do a real basic test here to see how Josie's doing, and I haven't tested her yet, so I don't know today how she's feeling. But we're going to find out energetically. We're not diagnosing, we're just testing energy of the body. I'm going to go, and we know that your polarity is fine. I'm going to go and depress, take my energy of my hand and put it right over her thyroid. If her thyroid's doing well, resist for me, it's a little bit weak. And so if the thyroid is struggling in any way, the body's struggling, the energy it takes to keep that gland or organ going, when I take my energy, it's like it blows a fuse. And it shows it through the brain, the autonomic nervous system, and the neuromuscular system. To make it simple, your brain, your nerves, and your muscles are speaking to us. This is like using biofeedback without electrical equipment. It'll give us the same information if we had everything plugged in. I could find out the same things. I'm going to go into her heart, and resist for me, please. And her heart is really strong. I can't budge there. Very good. And I'm going to go into the thymus now, and that's her immune system, and that is very good, and that's important with the things that we're hearing about plagues coming and viruses coming. We want a good, strong thymus, and we want that thymus to resonate. Very good. How about your lungs? We can tap on each lung, resist for me, and we can tap on this lung and resist for me. And that lung is a little weaker than this lung, so we know we've got a little weakness there energetically. I'm going to test her adrenal glands, and those are okay and very good. And that's an adrenal gland point right over the belly button with 3 fingers, right over the belly button, resist for me, and she's doing good in her adrenals. And this is her liver and her gallbladder right off to the side by the rib cage, and her gallbladder is not energetically not doing so well today. And we're going into now the pancreas, which helps you to break down sugar. Excuse me, is your arm getting tired?
Just gonna rest it a minute.
Okay, so I won't depress so strong. And so I'm going into her spleen, and spleen is okay, and then the intestines are a little bit weak. We can also test the kidneys by taking the hand and putting it right over the kidney, her right kidney. Very good, and her left kidney. Very good. Okay, now we found out energetically that she has a lot of areas in the body that are not balanced. Let's see how well that Josie can balance her body in general with that much weakness going on. I want you to extend your arms. I want you to lift your right leg, and I'm going to ask you to resist. Don't let me push your arm down, please. And hard to balance. One more time, and hard to balance. Okay, so I'm going to ask you to take your Safe Connect body shield. I'm going to ask you to place that on your body. What we're doing is we're taking over 200 resonant frequencies that have been encoded into the Safe Connect Plus body shield, and that field of energy extending off of this device, which goes out about 12 inches actually in the field that this emanates with, and that's connecting with her human biofield. her brain's getting those messages, sending through the whole spinal column, recalibrating the central nervous system in the spine, and then realigning everything, and energy-wise, all her glands and organs, you'll see what happens now. I'm not going to say anything. Let's just test and find out. So the true test, resist for me, please, and very good. And the thyroid, which was weak before, is now strong. We tested liver before, that was weak, and I'm basically coming up on my tippy toes. And gallbladder, I think gallbladder was the weak one. And pancreas, and her spleen was okay, and now her intestines, and those are testing just fine. What about your lung on this side? Very good. And so energetically, she's now more balanced. And what's going to happen now is, if we were testing her spine, and I'll show you that in 1 second, we'd see the spine realign. What about balance? Is this, Josie, let's see how this affects you with your balance, okay? I want you to extend your hands out and just turn this way a little bit so people can see what happens. Lift that leg up, and I'm going to go ahead and depress and resist for me, please. Basically, it's a piece of cake. I'm pushing down, I cannot budge her. She becomes more balanced. This is a crucial thing for the elderly today. It's a crucial thing for people in sports, golfers, basketball players, anybody who's doing anything physically where they're needing to balance more and have greater agility and actually strength. Even weightlifters, you're going to see a difference by wearing this Safe Connect body shield, because of what it does energetically to balance with the resonating frequencies coming off of this. Let's show the spine, what happens with the spine. I'll go ahead and ask you to take that off for 1 minute. I'm going to go down her spine, starting at the base of the skull with my hands, and I'm going to find out if there's any weakness. Let me just show you right here. Let's see how we could stand so everybody could see. I'll go ahead and use this arm, and then resist for me, please. Very good. She's strong. And then I'm going to start right here at the base of her skull, right as that crease starts down her back, and she's fine there, fine there. And she's out right here in this area of her spine. I'm going down further, and that connects with her thyroid, by the way, and her thyroid was weak. So we're going down, and here, right here, that would connect with the lungs. And so we're seeing the connection, how the spine is also connected with glands and organs. And as we go down, she's having a hard time resisting in certain areas of her spine, and she's really out there, and my hand's touching right here at right just above the navel, and that would, her organs are relating to these areas, and the base of the spine, the intestines, and the female organs. This is amazing. You're going to watch something just quite amazing happen here as we take her her shielding device, this Safe Connect body shield, Safe Connect Plus body shield, and you're going to find out what happens now to her spine, the realignment of the spine and the re-energizing of every gland, organ, and system in her body is affected by this. It just is helpful. This also grounds the body, because most people wear rubber on the bottom of their shoes. They're not connecting to the earth and they're not grounded. Then they're touching electrical appliances, which is even worse. And so this is going to make a huge difference because it's grounding the body and giving it signals, okay, for every gland, organ, and system at perfect balance energetically. Okay, resist for me. And I'm going down her spine, and the area where her thyroid is in her on her spine is now like strong like a bull, and I'm pushing hard, which is why she was getting tired, because I just want to make a point here and want to show you what's happening.
Not tired.
Not tired now. She's like Rock Lady. She is like Hercules Lady, and all the way down her spine, I cannot actually budge her spine. We just recently developed an adjustable cording system where she can make this longer or shorter if she likes, and on the back this sits under the clothing and actually connects with the spinal column. And if you can just imagine, the spinal column is sending signals up and back to the brain, to all the glands, organs, and systems, and what we're doing is we're taking this field emanating from this encoded shielding device on the back. We call it a button, if you will, because it kind of looks like a button, and that goes down her spine, actually giving her front shielding ability with wearing it on the front. Right, and this is sitting real close to her thymus, so her thymus is really getting strengthened by that. That's going to help her fight flus and colds and sicknesses. And then sitting on the spine as well, giving her double coverage. So I think you have a really good device. What do you think?
I think it's great, and I feel great.
I feel great too. I'm wearing mine as well. And you can bead these, you can put them on any kind of cords that you want.
You can take them and stick them in your pocket if you don't want to wear it,
That's
or
right.
inside if it's going to ruin your outfit.
Yeah, or in your pocket.
But it won't, because they're
garments.
pretty.
That's right. So we're really glad you came for our testing today, and if you want to have more information, contact the person that you got this video from, or this DVD, whatever medium they're using, and they'll tell you more about Safe Connect Plus body shields, home shields, and cell phone shields. You don't want to be protected. You want to protect your whole family, your house, your body, and your environment. Actually, it's amazing when you stick that home shield into your circuitry of your house suddenly becomes a calm, relaxing place, just in terms of the energy. Okay, thank you. Shalom, bye-bye.
Bye.